Welcome back to the shop. This is episode 23, I'm pretty sure. Not 100%, but yeah. We will be in there again. I'm probably gonna... Okay, if I'm being totally honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. So, I'm going to attempt to take out the center console. Maybe the headliner, but I have youth group tonight, so I probably won't get to it. But, yeah, watch me try and most likely fail at trying to get the center console. Let's do this.
Hey everybody, Malarkey here, aka Dad, aka Mark. Welcome back. Thanks for bearing with us. I'm still really busy with work and we've been on the road a lot. We actually took a mini vacation too. But Mara is finished with her play and she's anxious to get this Jeep going, and so am I. And over the next couple of weeks I will have more time, she will have more time, and we will be getting more consistent videos. So thanks again for watching, thanks for coming back, and I hope you enjoyed this short video of her working on the center console.
After struggling, consulting YouTube and my dad, finally got it. So I knew this had to come out, but what I didn't know was that spot right there had a screw that needed to come out. There's something over it. And that one I could see, but there wasn't a screw in it. So I didn't realize that I had to get a screw. So then I got the screw, obviously, and then yeah, there's the rest of it. But I got screws up here. I had to consult YouTube to get that off, to get the rest off so that I could pull the whole chunk off. That's very confusing the way I just put it. But basically, I struggled over stupid things for a whole hour and finally got it out. Thanks, YouTube. And yeah. So now I gotta clean this all up. Wish me luck. Oh wait, also, there's a bunch of little coins, so we have more money now. It's not focusing. There we go. So this is a whole quarter. These were what I pulled out of there. There's also one that I dropped on the floor. But yeah, there was a lot of coins in there. There's still some more, but I wasn't able to grab them easily, so I left them. So yeah. So overall, we got the center console out, and yeah, here it is. There's also a bunch of coins under there. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. On our mailbox, say the words.